All right, guys, we're back. All right, so we put the pipe in the ground, and then we went ahead and installed this pipe that goes right into this box. So we have this pipe that comes in here. The pipe that comes out of the ground has to be Schedule 80. There's two types of pipes: a Schedule 40 that could go in the ground, and a Schedule 80 that comes out of the ground. So we're going to cover all this, and so we'll show you the finished product. It's a pipe. I already brought the pipe into the junction box. So there's two types of pipe: a Schedule 40 and a Schedule 80. Anytime you come out of the ground with the pipe, has to be Schedule 80. So let's cover this up. I think this one might be a little heavy to move, but maybe we can move it. Everything has to be on GFI, so I'll show that, and I'll put the box on the other side. Let me bring the other one over, and then we'll Once again, rigid tools. But they're good tools. Oh yeah. The tripod is a rigid tool. You always want to make your box as level as possible. So when you put your cup up here, it doesn't fall off. This is not an impact drill, so it's a little tougher, but this is brick, so it's easy to go in. I got lazy trying to get a drill. Oh man, come on. Okay. Beautiful. And I forgot to get the strap. Oh God. All right, let me go get a strap. Okay, all right, so there it is. So now we're just gonna pull the wire and put your cover on it. This side is gonna get a regular outlet because my GFI is over there. So this will be on the load side of that GFI. So all right, now we're gonna use this fish tape. It's plastic. I'm gonna push it all the way to the other side of the pipe. We'll push it and it'll go under there all the way to the other box. Okay. So now all the power has been turned off at the breaker. You got to make sure. And safety first. So there it is. This is a two-person job. Two people have to do this. Please tell me you're there. Yep. Keep going. All right, that's it. Just enough. I put this the wrong way. What kind of electrician are you? This goes like this. Okay. And this box, what's nice about it is that this, if you put a big plug in here, this thing will extend. There it is. Okay. Warning, warning, warning. Electrical can kill you. Let's see if we did a good job. By the way, this is all I had.
You want to explain to them what it is?
This is one of those oven things.
Convection oven.
Convection oven.
What you need to do? Put the handle down.
There you go. All right, that's on. It's working. Woo, it gets hot. Okay, now that's working. Let's go to the other side. Okay, there you go. That's on. And now, if this is correct, then if I hit this button, it should turn off. There it is, the GFI. So now I'll push it back on. All right, cool. Unplug it before it burns something. Okay. All right, guys. By the way, the electrical is a serious thing. So please use a professional when you guys are doing the pipe work. It's anybody can do that, as long as you stay in code and you know your heights on the pipe. But the electrical is a very dangerous thing. Just be careful. Don't try to do, if you don't not 100% sure about the electrical work, just have somebody do it for you. It's not that expensive. All right, well, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and we'll see you on the next video.